first aspect of troubleshooting, you'll go on the app, click the button with the three lines, and click clear cache and OK. It will reload the app, and sometimes you'll have to sign in, sometimes it will just load you back to the regular menu. The other troubleshooting that I will do is I actually will delete the bookmark from my phone, and then I will open Safari again, open up the app, and then log in to the software and choose the button to add it back to my home screen so that it is an app on my phone again. So if neither of these work, make sure to check out the other video that shows how to troubleshoot with AOScan on an Android. And if you have any other questions, always go ahead and contact support. They are super helpful and efficient at getting things resolved quickly for you. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.